Our topic for today is career. Who can define a career for me? Auntie. You.
Auntie, career is a profession.
Yes, career is a profession, but I need a more elaborate answer.
Sit down.
You.
Career is a profession you spend a lot of your working life in.
Very good. Clap for her. Again. What would you want to be in future?
I would like to be an engineer.
Wow, engineer. And you?
I would like to be a nurse.
Yes, that's good. And ROC, what would you want to be in future?
Stand up.
Yes, you.
Stand up.
Stand up.
I would like to be a terrorist.
ROC, a terrorist. Oh yeah, come here. Come out here. Yes, come here. Go outside. You. Carry him out.
I said